Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about discussion. Lot of times we have which engineering branch is best for future and what can be the priority order, and lot of students ask can they take core branches. So this is about that employability based on research and the actual data like in education times, right? So how much is the placement which is happening for across the branches. So first I will start with the national placements state wise. So state wise, Tamil Nadu is the top most state in India which has got the highest number of placements, and there are top colleges in Tamil Nadu like VIT Vellore or SRM University or Amrita University, and then lot of other engineering colleges. So that's why they have a top most placement. So every year 1.6 to 1.7 lakhs students from Tamil Nadu alone get placed. And if you talk about the Karnataka, which is the number 2 location in India, close to 79,644, that means around 80,000 placements happened in 24-25, right? That is the data, and it is because of the Bangalore region, right? That's why a lot of students are going for KCET and the Comedk colleges. But definitely Tamil Nadu is much ahead of Karnataka. The next important thing is we always think that you should always take computer related branches, and is there any future for civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical and the other branches, right? So but it is confirmed that these are also very popular, and it is now becoming slowly easier to get job through this. And we will go to that. Before that, employability, right? How many students based on the branch are employable for a particular branch, right? So as per the skill report 2025, you see computer science engineering highest 78% of students who are studying CSE related branch, they are employable. Second best is information technology. If you are studying in IT, then your skills are at 75% level to get job. ECE is not behind. If you are studying electronics and communication engineering, your employability is 72% based on your skills, which is excellent. Electrical engineering is the next option, 68% employability, and then biotech engineering stands next, 65% employability. And then mechanical, right, 60% employability. So this is not just the placements. Once you come out of the college, you have to get continuous jobs outside the college experience also, right? So now let's see the branch wise how it is. So mechanical engineering, if you see in the last 5 years, 5.5 lakh students have got placement. So it does not mean if you're not getting a job from the college, there is enough job in the market. 5.5 students got job from the market. Out of those 5.5, the most highest demand is 2.6 lakhs out of 5.5 are the diploma holders, right? Diploma holders, and then UG, which is your engineering students, are 2.88. So diploma holders of mechanical as well as the engineering students of mechanical are getting good jobs, right? And in those were 5.5 lakhs for 4 years or 5 years data, but in one single year in 24-25, out of 1.33 lakh students, 89,000 students, 88,954 students got a placement in mechanical. That is, mechanical placement percentage is 66.48, including college and your industrial experience. So definitely this is a good choice, and you will have a career of 30 years in mechanical as well. The first job, the college job, is just a small part of the things. Now let's talk about the civil engineering, right? So civil engineering, if you see, also has demonstrated good growth. 1.53 lakh graduates were there, and last 5 years got placed, out of which maximum were diploma 96,800, and rest were from the engineering side. So if you see the civil engineering placement rate, it is around 41.88%. So you may, in the college placement, it may be below 30% in most of the colleges, but if you go in industry, it is 42% placements of civil students. Lot of property companies, real estate companies and everything is there. Now let's talk about the electrical engineering. Again, for past 5 years, 1.16 lakhs diploma students and 65 68,000 undergraduates, engineers of electrical were also getting placed, right? So here again it has shown a good placement, and in just 1 year, in 24-25, 38,000 electrical engineers got placed out of 65,000. Placement rate is again close to 60%, which is not a bad, right, given the ranks at which you can get, and this is also a decent option. Select a proper college basically. Now talking about other branches, chemical engineering, very small number of students are there in and this branch is only there in few colleges. So number of students graduating in 24-25 were just 8,600 students in India, out of which 5,000 got placed. Placement percentage is again 60%, 59.28%. so this is also good option, it provides for employability. Now talking about the computer science engineering, which continues to dominate, right, over the past 5 years, right, and undergraduate placements surpassed 5.6 lakhs, right, students, right. So there, if you see in 1 year data of academic year 24-25, 1,24,000 students were placed out of 1,31,390, which is impressive 95% placements for computer science students who are in the market. So they also get highest placements as perception is there. Now talking about electronics, so as you would have heard, semiconductor sector is alone going to create 10 lakhs jobs in India, or 1 million jobs by 2026. So that is next year, right? So this has a big potential. And if you see, because of the semiconductor, electronics engineering is getting a big demand, and out of which 3 lakh jobs will be only in chip semiconductor part of it, in the fabrication portion, and 2 lakhs jobs can be in the ATMP segment, which is called assembly, testing, marking and packaging, and another 5 lakhs job can be in the chip design, software development, system circuit, manufacturing, supply chain management, others. So 10 lakhs jobs can be expected in by 2026 in the semiconductor industry, where big investment is going on. So there is a large potential in all of the engineering branches. Depending on of your interest, I think you should go for the particular branch, and that will be helpful. So that's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.